What's up, welcome to a new video. Today we're working on Fossil's GT and he will not let me use the rattle guns. No shit, he's already yelled at me. Go, you're not rounding my nuts off. So we're going to change the shocks in the front of this original GT. So there we go. And I'm tipping he won't let us take it out for a drive. You're going to bloody poison yourself, you silly old bastard.
Kill me, that's it.
Bloody kill me. He always says he's going to bury me. Give her a rev, Foss. Bloody shitbox. So you can't get in and out of it. I've got to drive it now. Now we've got Ryder, he's going to help. Yep, working on Grandpa's GT. It's just a Falcon 500, isn't it? Yeah, look at that, Falcon 500. Nothing special in here. Well, you bloody got your racing gloves, mate.
Racing gloves?
Look, go on, have a look. Oh, put it down. Get out of the way.
Hang on.
Bloody old bastard. Come on. Say, Grandpa, let Dad
put these bloody things on here.
Look at that. See, Grandpa is old school. So you should use a rattle gun.
Yeah.
No, Grandpa doesn't want rattle guns on these type anymore.
It's more easy though.
Nah, they tell you why, there's been a lot of wheels fall off with these sort of caps.
Yeah.
They don't sit properly. And
I reckon they set it back.
now you can use a rattle gun after we do this.
Alright, I'll do the other side. Yeah. Bust your back. Straight up. How good are we? This is Mother's Day and we're working on GTs. Happy bloody Mother's Day. Oh, Rocky, you big bastard. Buddy, he's not here to muck around. Did you bit
We'll
first?
undo that after. Once you undo it, I'll take it off and undo it.
Alright, Ryder, grab the jack over there. Come on.
Yeah, I've done it on dash card. But the
Wouldn't you buzz them off first though? I always buzz them off.
Oh, I loosen it with the shifter. No,
But we don't even have to pull those off when I do it.
What?
Well, you just take your wheel off, undo your bottom two, and then just go.
Yeah, from underneath. Yeah.
You want to pull them up
Is
through
it
the
too
tower.
I want to have a look in this
is
one
it too
anyway.
broken?
You got the wheels off the ground yet? A lot of chit chat. Come
A
on,
little bit.
a little bit.
He's learning.
We're going to put a set of lowered shocks in lowered springs.
Yeah.
This has got lowered springs.
We'll lower it down. We'll put what else we're going to do?
Oh, there's red strings.
Like
in
dropping
there.
everything.
There's
Old
red
bath.
springs.
Red springs.
I see a knot.
Yeah, that Bilstein. Oh. Yeah, she's a bit slow.
I found a knot.
Yep, put it over the other side. That's on. That's part of the one up the top here. That's where Grandpa put him.
Where do I put it?
What are you doing?
untidy it.
Yeah. You changing shocks on a GT?
Maybe.
Maybe. Hold it up.
See, this one's got no leaks. The other one has.
See the compression on this one?
They both need rebuilding.
Yeah.
I'll rebuild the bloody things.
What are we replacing them with? Bloody XLG, KYB, jelly. Good KYB. Get out of it, Rocky.
Look it out.
Oh. KYB jelly.
Ugh.
So do you know what you're doing, Grandpa?
That's alright.
Buying stuff. Spacious.
That's the rubber. Where's your grease? Now we apply a bit of grease between all the bushes and the spacer plate and all the mountings. Whack the shock in from the top. I started doing all the nuts and rubbers back underneath on that shocker mount. And then we get little Gary to tighten it up because he loved working on Grandpa's GT. Pull it. Yeah, go. Push it up, push it up, push it up. Go. Do that up.
Good boy, geez. You're doing well. Doing well, mate.
Look at that. Now you're working on a GT.
Well,
What is happening?
Well, he wanted to, he kept asking me.
I still can't believe
Yeah,
Grandpa only wants 20 grand for this car.
yeah, 20 grand.
20 grand was the, you want to buy Grandpa's GT?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, we better buy it. Yep, big reef. Because you know if anything goes wrong, Grandpa's going to kill Dad. Won't be you.
Dad'll have to tighten them up.
Alright. Good muscles. Alright, let Dad do the last little bit. Beautiful.
Yeah, good job, Ryder.
Well done.
Good job, mate.
Yeah, hold that.
You're going to be top. Work on these cars, mate. Jeez. This is what Russ used to do, you know. I'm like seeing double.
Yep.
Yeah, because this is what Russ used to do.
Alright.
Unbelievable.
That's it. One shock in. Put the top plate
Yeah.
on. Let's go.
You didn't find that spring washer under there, did you?
Oh, I haven't looked over that side.
Right, I don't know where it's gone.
Where's the shock?
Here.
Put the rubber on it. There's the rubber.
Grandpa ordered.
Yeah, we need a rubber there. That goes there. You've done that, yep. So we need to slide that through the top. Like that.
No.
Hang on. How's that?
I just put it there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've got to twist it to make this fit.
Do the bottom and we'll put that on
It's
after.
not really that straight, Dad.
No, no. Is that in?
Yeah.
In both holes?
Yeah.
Yep, beautiful.
Yeah.
There we go, we good? Tight? Alright, that'll double check. Good work, that's pretty tight. Well done. Yeah, you can be Spielberg.
Good job, right, boy.
Good, nice and tight. Well done.
Maybe move that socket thing up here when you finish, mate. I've got some.
I did it. So what do I do?
Got to put the heater lines back on. Goddamn rookies.
That'll be a second. Don't know. Daddy, you uploading this video?
Yeah. If you got good footage, right? You can tell everyone that Grandpa wouldn't let us use rattle guns on the car.
Yeah.
Hey, beautiful.
Well
Alright. Cheers.
Well
Put the wheel back on. There you go.
Well done.
You want to let the jack down, bud?
You let it down.
I'll let it down.
I'm being cameraman.
Alright, I'll do it.
I'm cameraman.
You're cameraman.
It's the cameraman, alright.
Good new shocks in there, bud?
Yep.
Yep. You happy
What
with the
is-
job?
Yep. Are you?
Oh, buddy oath. You're showing these 12 slotters with
It's right as happy. we're all
Bridgestone Eager tyres.
Oh, fit.
Alright, I'll take you for a drive now.
Yay. Drive down. The front's more lower than the
There you go, Foss.
Thank you, mate.
Let's go take it for a wrap.
Well done.
Yeah, take it for a blocky.
Yes.
Gotta test it out.
What do you, rubber block behind the back wheel.
There you go. That'll do our video and take some Grandpa's shocks in the GT.
Yep.
Yep. What do you tell them to do? Tell them to like, comment and subscribe. You won't? Jump on it.
This video.
Like this video. Comment down below if you want to see us do a bloody cruise on the street in this thing. You won't?